Okay, I am right here right now. I just came from Prairie View Trail. I'm going to take a walk Bluestem Trail around this way, back here, and back to camp. Well, here we go. Bluestem Trail. Coming up to the corner, obviously. I'm right there right now. This is a shorter trail than the Prairie View Trail I just did. So I'm kind of happy to see that. I'm getting hungry. So it looks like around here, right at this particular spot. Whew. Okay, now way over there is a train going on the tracks right now, way at the other end of the park. Okay, so one train, that's the first train I've seen since I've been here. I don't know if there's been others or not, but apparently the train's pretty darn long. All right, another corner. I'm right there of the Bluestem Trail. And up over to here, over to M. And over to N, and over to my campsite. Okay. Oh well, I already saw the map before. Okay, man, this wind, amazing. Okay, I'm approaching the sign M. The trail comes from the right, continues straight and goes to the left. I'm pretty sure I'll be going to the left. Take a look at the map here to make sure. Yeah, because I'm right there right now. Huh. Looks like they must have an overlook or something straight ahead here. Yeah, I'm going to take and go straight and just see what's there, because obviously the trail doesn't go anywhere. It must be, see that. So, okay, I'm going to do that and then come back and then head back over to camp. I'm not going to be doing the Riverview Trail. That goes way over here in the Minnesota State University Moorhead, the Science Center. I'm not going to do all that. I'm just staying in the state park itself. Okay, let's head over here and see what it looks like up here. Okay, awesome. We got a bench here. I may be sitting down for a few minutes just to enjoy the cool the overlook here. And no, I am not going to go down that. I'm staying up here. Oh, nice. Nice little view here. Kind of like a miniature horse bend. Horseshoe bend. Yeah, that's upstream, so it's coming this way, flowing around the miniature horseshoe bend and going that way. Cool. That's kind of cool. I'm going to take a sit down on the bench and for a moment and just relax in the shade here. Okay, stay here a few minutes. Take one last look at this. Alright, I head back to the Bluestem Trail, what I've got left of it, and then back to camp. It's about 20 to 1 right now. Okay, back here again. Right there. Heading over here to Ann and back to camp. You know, I walked down the trail a little ways, then I realized I had forgot to do something. So I came back to this overlook, you call it that, and I forgot to do a selfie look at it from here. Figured I had better do that from this little viewpoint here. There we go. There, I'm here. Okay, now I'll go back, head back down the trail to back to camp. Walking through the woods again. The trees are kind of helping cut down on the wind quite a bit. There's still some blowing through, but not like out on the open land there, open prairie, if you want to call it a prairie. Totally out of the wind right here. This came from that direction. A small little breeze come through. But I'll be hitting the wind once I get over around that bend there. Okay, I just want to take a quick look around at the spot, so let's continue on towards camp. Coming down a hill here. My gosh. I think I see a light at the end of the tunnel. Yep. There it is. There's the bridge right over there. Right back to where I started. I'm right here. So I walked that. Then it came around there. Went there, there, there. There to the overlook. And I'm here again. Now I'll just walk from here over back to camp. Oh, there we go. Alright, heading to camp. Suppose I better film my way walking across the bridge again. Going over the Buffalo River. Okay, so there we go. That was just the end of the Bluestem Trail. Now I'm heading back to camp and have a bite to eat and rest a little bit, and then do some more trails this afternoon after I eat. So there we go. Talk to you later.